we right now?
We're on an 84-foot motor yacht in beautiful Jupiter, Florida.
What makes this area special?
Obviously boating, that's why we're on Rockstars.
Do you have a boat?
Of course.
What do you do on it?
Lobstering, snorkeling, fishing, you name it.
Why is this boat called Rockstars?
Ask Mike.
Because John and a couple of his high school buddies were in a band.
How much does it cost?
She's asking $4.2 million.
How big is it?
It's 84 feet and very large. Check out the flybridge.
So how do you know Mike?
Oh, Mike and I have been knowing each other for 15 years. Our kids went to school together.
Do you work together?
Yeah, Tracy and I help his clients find the perfect waterfront home for their beautiful motor yachts.
What's your favorite thing to do in Jupiter?
Oh, it's golf. We live in the golf capital of the world.
All right, listen, we gotta go. We have a showing right now.
Okay.
Be late. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, guys.